We have visual contact on the stack.
Steady as she goes, Mr. B. Maintain course and speed.
Stress levels are fluctuating at 0.4.
Adjusting the flow rate now, increasing to 3 centimeters per minute.
Holding steady. Confirmed.
Final status check on the backup lines.
Systems are green, ready for deployment. Maintaining vigilance on the seafloor.
Yeah! We finally did it! Keep the pressure steady on line 3. It's holding at 40 psi.
We're still getting heavy sludge here.
Scan result confirms the subsurface flaw at this location.
Agreed. Logging the coordinates now.
The XRF shows high levels of chloride contamination here. We're looking at serious structural compromise.
Understood. I'll mark this section for immediate replacement.
Talk is good on panel 7. Log that.
Verified. Moving to the undercarriage next.
Watch the suspension coupling closely.
Opening starboard valve 2, pressure rising.
Inclinometer steady at 0. We are level.
Crane 1, you are clear to lift. 15 feet and hold.
Roger, 15 feet.
Pay close attention to the nameplate here. The lettering is barely visible.
Understood. I'm taking high-res shots now. We'll cross-reference with the schematics later.
The pressure sensor data looks good across the board.
What about the vibration analysis here? It seems slightly elevated.
Look at the color of that water.
It's absolutely breathtaking, isn't it?
It's incredible what they endured.
A powerful story. Truly inspiring.